My name is Thomas Geraldson. I am the small UAS program manager, which is Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems, for the 78th OSS here at Robins. And my job is to provide oversight for any potential sUAS programs that want to develop on the base, to ensure that they are flying safely in conjunction with manned aircraft. So the sUAS program was developed to ensure any potential sUAS users or drone operators on base, one, are complying with Air Force instructions, as well as locally assigned or locally developed instructions in order to mitigate any potential conflicts with manned aircraft flying within the Robins airspace.
I am Major Jesse Burdett. I'm the Director of Operations at the 78th Operations Support Squadron here at Robins Air Force Base. I oversee operations for the flight line for the 78th Air Base Wing. Small UAS program was set up initially in 2019 as the commander at the time saw the emerging need for the program and saw the benefits that it could bring to Robins Air Force Base. So it was fully mission capable as of summer of 2021. The Small UAS Program Management Office is an organization set up underneath the 78th Air Base Wing to manage small UAS programs here at Robins, and basically to help out people who want to stand up new programs and to help them oversee and remain compliant with all the rules and regulations associated with them. Really, they're there to remove barriers for people who want to leverage small UAS technologies to accomplish their missions.
There's no bounds to what you can do with small UASs, whether it's a quadcopter type, a fixed wing type, and so it's a very out-of-the-box type of thinking. We can utilize thermal imaging to do roof inspections, which we have done, or we can do 3D photos of construction sites, which we've already done, and accurately measure what potential could come from or what is happening on current construction sites.
The only thing that I would add is to reiterate, emphasize that Mr. Geraldson's there for anyone who has an idea. Everything starts with an idea. So if you have an idea of how to utilize small UAS technologies to accomplish the mission, reach out, ask the question, and see if it's worth looking into. I would just encourage people to not keep their ideas a secret, and let's use this to make good things happen in the future.